Ever wanted to control magic? Well, maybe the Aputure MC is for you.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Today, let's talk about the Aputure MC lights. These are specialty lights used for accent and detail work like this behind me. They're not really something that you would use to light a subject with. They're just not strong enough. Not really something you'd use to light a full scene with. They solve one of the problems with lighting, the ability to quickly adjust the settings of the lights once they're in place. And this is key for quick creative decisions. Now, compared to the M9, the light output is a bit brighter at full intensity. It has full RGB, has lighting effects. It has a little display to let you know the settings. Has a silicone diffuser, which works really, really nicely. Let me just put it on. Which is a little bit raised from the light, so it gives you a nice diffused look. It's fairly nice. You can do a little highlight. Full RGB, it's a bicolored light. Allows you to do HSI, let you choose any color that you want. Powerful magnets to allow you to attach this to pretty much anything, stands, anything magnetic, so you can go in a lot of places really, really quickly. It also comes with adhesive Velcro, so that's pretty good. So if you need to put it in other places, you can. In terms of the size between the M9 and the MC, they're very, very comparable. There are heaps of improvements compared to the M9. The lights on their own are really good, especially compared to the M9. But it's the app that controls the light that takes it over to the top. Like, I'm talking next level good. So the app allows you to control multiple lights. It allows you to adjust the intensity really quickly, or even the color balance. Change the color of the lights very, very quickly. You can actually dial it in exactly where you want it to. So the app allows you to choose a specific color. So let's grab this blue. Now let's grab this orange. Ready? Here we go. This is one of those magical feelings that you get. Being able to adjust lights that are tucked away, hidden away, is such an amazing tool to have, especially when you want to make quick creative decisions and you want to adjust something. So definitely being able to choose the light that you want to go with. The app has lots of presets in it. It has effects. The app is the reason why I'm buying into what Aputure is doing with their lighting system. The ability to control setups remotely. Once their lights are programmed in, you can adjust them. You can adjust the color, you can adjust the intensity, you can add effects to them. I really, really like this, and especially when they start adding this to a lot of their bigger lights, and they said they're going to be coming out with an attachment, a component that attaches to older lights to be able to control them with the app. I think that's an amazing way to go, especially if you are working with a small crew, is the ability to adjust them in real time to help make quick creative choices. In a studio, lights can be connected with DMX controllers. They essentially have a cable running from light to light to light. This allows for quick changes and lighting setups that be switched instantly. But that's great for a permanent studio setup. But if you're on location or you're working shoot to shoot, running a DMX cable that ties all the lights together is not really an option. And manually changing one light at a time is the best way to go. A slow way, but the best. Having an ecosystem that allows all your lights to be controlled with an app, being able to add lights as you go, and being able to quickly change the lights and the setups and the intensity as you're working, especially once lights are set up in higher positions that are hard to reach to. Taking the moment and stopping the flow of the creativity, essentially, and going and adjusting that light, that really slows down the flow of the entire thing. The ability to go into an app and change the intensity of a light, especially one that is rigged up high or in a place that it's hard to reach, if it's over an actor's head or up in the ceiling, outside even. Here's a current limitation I found with the MC. I wanted to use this for a shoot to simulate a flickering light in a hallway, especially as this is one of the touted modes. I wanted to link two of these together and flicker in sync, but I wasn't able to adjust the intensity and color without them going out of sync. And I'll show you an example. One of the things that I can't do is I can't seem to get them to be in sync together. And I can't figure out why that is. So if I wanted to go full in, I can change the... So that's one of the things that I'm trying to figure out. Is it just the app thing, or is it a software update? Every time I try to get them to go in sync, can't seem to get it to go. You're just out of sync. It would be nice if they were. So I'm going to try to figure that out. But that's one of the drawbacks right now that I'm trying to figure out, is how do they get in sync? So if I have like 12 of these, I want them to all be firing off at the exact same time to create an effect all across a specific thing. So I can't get them in sync. So that's the one thing I'm trying to figure out. This, I'm hoping, will be addressed in an app update, perhaps a firmware update. I don't know. Loving the lights currently and using them everywhere. Anyways, guys, that's it for my little review on the Aputure MC. The future looks bright, pun intended. And with this system that Aputure is bringing, with the app and the connectivity, I'm really looking forward to what they cook up next. Anyways, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.